Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I have another haul for you today. Some jewelry. My favorite part is friend mail and a blind box opening as well. So I got a few things going on in this video to show you. I guess the whole thing could almost be called Shoppy Show and Tell, to take after Rachel's from Babe's Coteries saying. But I'm going to start out with Jeulia. I was gifted some jewelry from Jeulia. Comes shipped in this nice box. And when you open it up, you always get, they give you a little card, your personalized inspiration guide. The story begins here. You could click on that if you want to. And then there's just this card for Jeulia there. And then it comes with a little bag, assuming that you're probably only going to have one thing. You get this bag to put your items in. I got 3 though.
Is that in case you want to give it as a gift, maybe?
Well, right. And I think, just let me lean back down. Yeah, there's a whole little thing in here too. Like, you know, you get a little, what is this? A little card for, this is a silver polishing cloth, and a little, you get another little card here that says Jeulia. So, and then you can personalize it. So that's if you want to give something as a gift. And they tell you to stop and review everything that you got, making sure it's what you wanted and what you got, or you got what you wanted. So I did open this already to look at the rings, and they always come in little packages, so I like to take them out so they're ready when I show them. But they're starting a whole new line. It's called the Parallel Meet line, and it's supposed to kind of celebrate the idea of 2 souls coming together in love, but still staying independent as well. So they keep their independence, but also create their beautiful love together. I think it's really cool. So
it's not about hamburger and T-bones?
No.
Not that kind of meat?
No.
Oh.
So I got a few of the items. So well, let's see what the first one is. I'm going to pull the first one out of the box here. They come in a really nice ring box like this. And then, okay, I got the first one here. So, like you're in a jewelry store, it's got the little tag still on it. I don't know if you can see it good in there. That's it. Okay. So this is the Parallel Meet women's bypass ring. And I'm just going to put, let me take, I'll keep that jewelry on. It doesn't matter. It's right there. And this is the December and March birthstones to go with me and you. And then they have black there, and then the hardware silver.
Nice.
So I got the women's Parallel Meet band. Then I also got, because I wanted to see what they were like, but I got it for me, not you, the men's Parallel Meet band. And this one also is with, I must get that one at a bigger size, with the March. I'm just going to put on here so you can see. Okay. I'm not doing this very well, am I? Let's just switch this. Put that over here so you can see the men's. So the men's is thicker. So that's the men's band. And then last, but certainly not least, I got a promise ring. This is a promise ring from the set. It's a 2-tone jellyfish cut promise ring. So if you're not ready to get engaged yet, and or married, you want to get promised, there's this ring. And they have they're trying to be like black and white, so you got kind of contrasting colors to stand for the two different people coming together.
Nice.
But there's that one. It's pretty. The stone's like a purple stone.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think it's a really cool new line. So I have Jeulia linked in the description box down below. I have a link and a discount code. If you do want to purchase something from them, you can get a discount and use my links. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. As you can see, like I was going to take off, but I have different rings from them on here. The most recent one I think I showed before this one was this ring, and I wear it all the time. I don't ever take it off, and it's perfect. Their rings are so nice that I can't say enough good things about them. So that's why I like to show them on my ring. On my fingers. Even like how the band here is colored. They're so nice, and they're so affordable. I mean, don't get me wrong, jewelry's expensive. It's kind of like saying bags. Like a Coach bag is so affordable. I mean, is it? I mean, it is in the grand scheme of things. It compared to other things, the same nature. I just think that Jeulia makes a really good product that you can wear all the time. Don't have to worry about it, and it doesn't break the bank either. So I wanted to show that. Then let's see. I got a blind box again. This time it's going to be a Tokidoki pin, and I got this so I can put it on my bag, one of my bags. I don't like how they put the sticker over the front of the box. These are the different choices you can get. And I've gotten a few of these before, and now that I have a couple bags that I like to put pins on, I thought, oh, I'll get another one. And again, I had that Hot Topic money, so
Hot cash.
yeah. So let's see what I got. You guys can see it before me. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's got glitter. So sweet. That's gonna look great on one of my bags. I thought I might put it on like this one, or the James Jam one that I have put away right now that I wore. I think that was last week I wore that. And then I have a denim one a couple denim ones I might use. What are you trying to figure out which one?
That's the wrong box.
This is the box. Who is it?
Sunset Slush. Sounds like a drink.
Yeah, right?
I'll have two.
So I got that. I'm going to put one of these rings back on here too, so I can just... I gotta take the little tag off the back, but for now, since I'm using my hands. So then, I got so much friend mail. You guys are so awesome. That I just want to show everybody some of the things I've gotten. I got this. It takes a heart of gold to make an iron skillet, and this I got from Yoda Style. This nice postcard. She said there's a great place to eat there called the Iron Skillet where she lives. So she sent me that postcard.
Is that Alabama?
Yep. And then Tracy in Canada sent me this Ontario postcard. And Lake Louise postcard. I love postcards.
We know. We know you love the postcard.
Then I got this from Hugo. It was just such a nice surprise. People, I love it. I love it. And south of the border, that's somewhere that I really, really want to go. I watch Carpetbagger and Adam the Woo used to go there, and everybody, and someday I'd like to see that. So that's really neat to get that postcard. And then I got a little package from Leslie and her sister Lorraine, and they sent me some pressed pennies that I showed on my Monday's pressed penny reveal, and then I wasn't sure if I should give their names. I figured if I just gave their first names and not their last names, hopefully they're okay with me sharing that. But they got me the pressed pennies. Then they also got me all these cute little stickers. They're like book ones. And like the Labubu and Happiness is a Book. And that's really pretty. Like the window seat. And they went to a library book sale I love that. I love library book sales. And they found this Wizard of Oz Mad Libs. And they remembered how much I like the Wizard of Oz, and they got that for me.
Very nice.
It's so awesome. I used to do Mad Libs when I was a kid. Now I wouldn't want to write in here because it's the Wizard of Oz book, but it's so cool. It was so nice. Thank you guys so much. It just means so much, people doing things like that and thinking of me. So I really appreciate it. Then my little Donnie from Dawn Loves Couture. That's what I like to call her. Donnie. I don't know why. She's a Donnie to me. And then I also like Kevin from... Why can I never remember the name of his channel?
Kevin McAllister?
No, Kevin... Luxury... I linked him. I've been linking him. Oh, I'm so sorry, Kevin. I can't think of your channel name. But he's always Kevy to me. I don't know why. But Donnie and Kevy, I don't know. But Dawn gave me this, just this beautiful card. So she sent me this, and for no reason, just because she's Dawn, and she's so sweet.
Dawny.
Yeah.
Not to be confused with Downey.
Some razzles from like when we were
old
kids.
School.
And then Peelers ice cream flavored, what are they? Strawberry, limes, and orange vanilla. Oh, gummy candy. There's the back. And then it was in a Coach box, but it's not from Coach. It's something else that I'm super excited about. She knew I wanted one of these, and I don't have one. And it's from Dooney Bourke. And she recently unboxed one, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so getting one. And she's like, no, don't get one, because I know what one you'll probably get. And she had already bought me one. So she had to tell me not to get one of these right now. But this is so awesome. It's the first time I'm taking it out of its packaging. Just look at this. It's like their little key pouch, but like, so it's got a zipper pocket here. You can put stuff in there. I love the fuchsia, and you can see the pretty pebbled leather. Then it's got the zipper compartment here with the little hook and keychain thing there. Here's your yellow card. And then there's a little bit of stuffing in there. So you got a big open compartment there. And then you also have a compartment on the back that you could put cards in. So it's like a 3 holders in one. This is just awesome. I'm like, when I saw hers, I'm like, I have to get some. And then she's like, just wait, please just wait. I have to send you something. I thought she might have gotten this color. And she did.
Is that the color you would have picked?
Yes, the fuchsia, yeah. And she knows me. She knows that's what I would have picked. But now that I see these, I already liked hers. I can see getting some in my future, like a light blue maybe and a medium blue. And I just think it's so nice. I mean, the nice leather on the back here. And it's just so useful because it's got the 3 different spots. I love that you can put cards back here. Because I could put my change in here. And people know I always keep my health cards separate from my other cards. And they would fit perfect in here. So I wouldn't even have to carry a little card holder for my health cards. I could put them in here and put my change in here. And, yeah, I think this is... I don't know if this tells the color or what this is called.
It's called Dooney and Bourke.
It's... Yeah. Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
But... Donnie, you're so sweet. I got Kevin to get me such nice thing. Kevin, who I can't think of the name of his channel. But I'm going to link him down in my description box down below, too, along with Dawn.
It's on your shirt.
You probably already... Stop it. You're probably already subscribed to them. I had lunch today, and some ranch, of course, fell on my shirt. And
There, you're good now.
There. This is real. This is real. So, would you stop it? So, yeah, I got ranch on my shirt. I'm really sorry. But I'm real with y'all. So, that's what I have to show you today. And again, I'll have Jeulia linked in the description box down below along with a discount code. And, yeah, their new line, I think it's really pretty. I like the idea behind... I like when there's, like, real inspiration behind some pieces and the idea of two separate individuals meeting, falling in love, but keeping their individuality. I just think that's such a cool thing. So, not only is their jewelry beautiful, but there's like meaning behind it. So, yeah, I'll have them linked. And thank you, the people, to the people at Jeulia who did. They didn't pay me to do this, but they did give me the jewelry. And thank you, everybody. This was like another mini Christmas haul. I just really appreciate it. It means the world to me, and I can't say thank you enough. So how about, if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I typically put out my videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Today was 1 day delay. I've been having some delays lately, but typically my videos should be out on Wednesdays and Saturdays. On Mondays, I do put out a video. It's a bag swap video where I swap from my current bag, go into my next bag, and I switch out all my small leather goods, give you a little bit of information about the bags and the small leather goods. Occasionally, a video will come up on a Thursday. That's a book-related video where I'll do a book haul, also talk about what I've been reading, what I want to read. It'll have something to do with books if it comes up on a Thursday. If you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
And just a reminder, if you can't say something nice, don't say anything at all. Just like the toys from Toy Story, I see everything.